Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. So today we're going to do things a little different. I already got my gel tips on, my soft gel tips on, and like always I applied some pillow base underneath them so I can pop them right off. I know a lot of people ask me what pillow base I use, and it's Macart. There's a ton out there. I haven't tried any other than Macart, so I don't know if this is the best or not. We're also going to be using Madam Glam's nail polish today, and we're going to use this nice yellow color called Mimosa, and we're going to ombre this color with Barbie's Girl, a nice bright pink color. And when we ombre these two colors together, we're going to get a nice neon sunset type of orange. So we're going to get right into the nail art. You're going to apply a layer of the pink on top, and then we're going to apply the yellow layer right underneath. And I'm going to go in and use my Madam Glam's brush, the ombre brush, to ombre this together. I'm going to keep it on regular speed at first just so you can see how slow I am going. You want to take your time. I see some girls on here when they're ombreing, they're doing the whole like width of the nail, and I just can't do that. I do it in sections. So you will see me do the side, and then I'll do the top of the nail, and then I'll do the opposite side, and then I'll still go over and try to blend it. And this is how my ombre came out. I think it came out perfect. The pink and yellow is blending perfectly together to make this orange. So now I'm going to go in and do my other ombre on my nail, and eventually I will be doing 2 coats of this ombre, but I'm gonna hop off and let you guys go ahead and watch me do this nail art. So now I'm going to do 2 coats of this top coat from Madam Glam. It is matte top coat, and it does have sparkles in it, but I'm doing 2 coats of this. And for the nail art, I'm using this blue gel polish here. I got this from Temu, and this is the color code here. So doing the matte top coat prior to my nail art will serve me 2 purposes. The first one is when you put matte top coat down prior to doing the nail art, it just allows your brush to glide a little more easier while doing your nail art. And the second purpose is that I'm going to chrome these palm trees. So chrome does not like to stick to a matte surface. So when I go to, brush away the chrome, it's going to make it a lot easier for me to clean up that extra chrome. So now we're going to go in with this chrome base here and just trace the palm trees to the best of your ability. You only want the chrome to get on the palm trees, so that's where you apply the chrome base, because the chrome is going to stick to that chrome base. So I'm just doing to the best of my ability to outline, you know, the palm trees and the trunk of the tree, the leaves and everything. So I personally like to use this eyeshadow brush to apply the chrome because it picks up very little. You don't need a lot of chrome when you're chroming certain nail art. You know, you need just a little, and you rub that in, you know, really good. And then you can always see where you need to add extra. But the second reason that I really like to use the eyeshadow brush is I will eventually flip this over to the clean side, and it picks up all that extra chrome that's on the nail without disturbing where I want the chrome to actually be. So you can see here I flipped it over, and now I'm just cleaning that up. It's not disturbing the chrome on the palm trees, but it's picking up all that extra chrome on the part of the nail that I don't want chrome to be at. But that's just another way, or you can use a brush to brush it off, but I find this to be just an easier way. Now honestly, this is the only technique I've used to chrome. I don't know if the chrome is not being disturbed because of that chrome base I use, but this is what's working for me and I have no reason to change it. Now I still have to go over the actual chrome with the base coat so it doesn't eventually rub away or wash away when I wash my hands. So you will see me trace the palm trees yet again, but this is with a top coat just to protect the chrome that I did put on there. So at this moment, I realized I really wasn't feeling this design. So I did switch it. I made the switch and this is it right here. So we're just going to continue on, and I'm going to continue with the nail art. So this is the Madam Slam matte top coat, the same that I used on my ring finger. I'm going in with 2 coats of that, and then I'm going to go straight in with the nail art just like I did on my ring finger. We're going to do a palm tree, and I'll hop back on here in a little bit.